Hey, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video I want to show you the January box from FASHIONSTA, The Box, one of my favorite subscription boxes. It usually has 5 to 7 full-size items and you pay only $24.99 a month, shipping included, at least in the US. I don't know if they ship elsewhere, but at least here in the US is $24.99 a month, I'm sorry, includes shipping. And I just love it. It's always a combination of skincare and makeup and really nice items. So let's open up. I opened part of it but not all of it. It always comes with a card, which I love. It has a theme and it gives you the retail value for you. Yep. Oh, it's $155 retail value. Let me show you the inside of the box. Here's everything, and the theme is this month we invite you in 7 powerful resolutions, and the RE is in caps, for renew, restore, remove, reflect, reawaken, refresh, and replenish. So off the bat it tells us it's 7 items, and each item it's gonna accomplish one of those resolutions for 2020. So let's go. Let's see if I could do it in order. Okay, yes, for renew we have the Dirty Lamb. Oh, it's an oil, really nice. It is made of glass. It says it's a high antioxidant blend of natural oils, bringing liveliness and hydration to your skin while you sleep, vegan and cruelty free. And it says on the product it's vegan, nightly, unisex, and natural, so both women and men could wear it. It says how it works. It's a high antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep skin hydrated throughout the night. It says wheat germ oil is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E that will bring liveliness to your night skin. How to use: apply 2 to 3 drops before bed, warming between the palms of your hands, patting onto the face and neck. Really nice. Where is it made? I don't know, it doesn't say. Oh, made in the US. $52 right here, double what you pay for your box. Really good. Next, restore from the brand LA Bloom Beauty, the lash and brow serum, $25. Let's find it first. It says it's a all-natural, eye-friendly formulation to restore, strengthen, condition lashes, brows while growing new hairs, vegan and cruelty-free. It says organic ingredients: organic castor seed oil, organic sweet almond oil, organic coconut oil, organic argan oil, tocopherol, organic lavender essential oil. How to use: apply sparingly at nighttime and avoid direct contact in eyes. Vegan and cruelty free, made in California. So it's for your lash and brow. It doesn't smell like any of those things, but here is the applicator. Kind of big for the eyebrows, but it doesn't, no big deal. I could use it. Not that I need any more eyebrows and lashes, but yeah. But you do need to take care of your lashes, because you're always applying makeup and removing makeup and all that is causing, it could cause like strain on your eyebrows and your lashes. So that's nice. That was $25. Now next item is from Evian Beauty Lip Spa Gloss. This is what the packaging looks like, and it looks like this is the shade Susan. Let's open it up. This is a pack with moisturizing ingredients, keeping lips soft without the stickiness. Can be used as a blush or as a highlight. Oh, so you could use it as a lip, as a highlight, as a... So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna swatch it because I might give this away, because I'm not very into pink shades. So I might put this aside for a giveaway. And it just says do the right thing even when no one is looking. Oh, I like that. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. That is very true. That's when you really show what kind of person you are, when you do the right thing when nobody's looking. Because if somebody's looking, there's no point in that, because you're doing it because somebody's looking, not because you're a good person at heart. Really nice message. Next is from I Am Beauty Care, the makeup wipes, $12. Really nice pack. It's about 25 for $12. It says Dead Sea minerals and caviar to help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and remove makeup without irritation, cruelty free. I don't use makeup wipes on my face to remove makeup, but I do use it for my swatching, and if, you know, maybe if I'm doing a video and I need to remove my makeup really fast, then I'll use it. But I tend not to use makeup wipes for my makeup remover. But it's always nice to have a pack. This I will keep because I always have to have at hand in case I have to, you know, clean up some swatching. There's 3 more items. This is a really good box from Pixie Beauty. I don't think I have, no, I don't have any eyeshadow from Pixie Beauty. This is the Mixed Metals palette. It's $24. Again, it's all dirty because of the foozles, but the packaging, the eyeshadows are intact. It's 12 rich in pigment and payoff colors, adding depth and dimension to brighten and bring the light to your eyes. It's cruelty free and paraben free, and it's for Reflect. The wipes were removed, I forgot to mention it, and Reflect. I am going to open the box, but I'm not going to necessarily swatch any of the shades again, because in case I decide to leave it for a giveaway. Very pretty, very pretty. Let me open it up just for the, because the camera, my lights are reflecting on the cover, and it's kind of annoying. And I don't want this. Okay, it opens up like that. So this is what the shades look like. Very pretty, very neutral. So I'm gonna put it aside in case I decide to use it for a giveaway. So there's two more items. There's a Keyaki Makeup Wow Dual Eyeliner. It's $19. It's a eyeliner and it's dual, so it's 2-in-1 dual-ended pencil and liquid hypoallergenic waterproof eyeliner that delivers a wide range of eyeliner looks from soft to dramatic. And it's, so on one side is the liquid and the other side it's the pencil. And let me see, I do have a lot of pencils and all that, so again, I know I keep on repeating this, but I am going to put this aside for a future giveaway. Okay, so this is the packaging it looks like. Very pretty. And this is the side of the liquid side. Very carefully. It does have a nice tip. It looks like it's felt. Is that how you say it? Felt tip. Very careful. And then this is the pencil side. And it's in the shade black. So I'm gonna put this aside. And finally, a nail polish with which I'm gonna keep because I do like nail polishes, and I'm supposed to do my manicure soon. This is in the brand. Oh, the eyeliner is for Reawaken, and for Refresh, the Mineral Fusion Nail Polish, $9, long lasting and chip resistant, that applies flawlessly with a custom extra thick brush, vegan and cruelty free, and it's a pretty bottle. I like it. Really pretty. So yeah, this is FASHIONSTA never disappoints me. Every box I've loved, and this one is no exception. Oh man, I've been filming all this time with my lipstick running on the side. I'm sorry for that. I never noticed those things, so I apologize for that. So yeah, this box is really nice. Total value, retail value, $155. I like the eyeshadow palette is really pretty, and I put it in the wrong way, but the eyeshadow palette is really pretty. I have so many eyeshadow palettes that I just rather give it to one of you guys, because I like to show my gratitude for your support and all that. So the eyeshadow palette is really pretty. So this is the palette I love. The makeup remover wipes I'll keep because I do use them for my swatching, like I said. The eyeliner I would put it away aside for a giveaway. And the nail polish I will keep. Colors really pretty. The serum, I do have a lot of skincare items, and it's not open, it's sealed. So I think I might keep it because these things, I'm always afraid they're gonna break in transit or something. And I do love oils and serums, and I need hydration always. So I am gonna keep this. Oh, the hydrating lip gloss, I'll put it aside for a giveaway. And the lash serum thing, I would use it for my lashes because it has really nice ingredients. And you know, I do need to care for my lashes as well. So yeah, now it's your turn. I do love this box. I've always loved it, and I'm being completely honest here. I really love this box. It's always been really nice to me, but now it's your turn. I'd like to hear what you guys think. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Let me know which was your favorite item, and if you are subscribed to FASHIONSTA, let me know what you got differently. I would like to know the different variations of what different people got. I think everybody gets basically the same items. That what might change is like the color of the nail polish, or maybe the color of an eyeliner, things like that. But the main items, they're usually the same throughout everybody. But I'd like to know regardless what you guys got. If you're not subscribed to FASHIONSTA, I'm gonna leave the link down below. I don't have an affiliate link. I do have a link if in case you want to buy anything else from their website. I do have like a discount code, but I don't have an affiliate link for the actual box. But still, I'll leave it down below for your convenience, so it's easier for you guys to get to the page. So yeah, I want to thank you for coming by. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already, and clicking on the bell to get notified of future videos, which I have a lot planned for the future. Oh, and also if you want to know what I have on my face, I just did before this video, I did a try on of Almost Everything Is Brand New, and it's a full face Chanel, or like almost full face Chanel of new items that I recently got. And I also did a haul video, which I'm gonna leave the links down below. Not below, I'm gonna leave the links at the end so you guys could watch it after this one. So yeah, thanks again for coming. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.